omelette and bread, my favorite breakfast recipe. So let's begin. Okay guys, so here we are in the kitchen and the ingredients are very easy and available at everybody's home. So here we have chopped fresh coriander, we have onions and some green chili. Here I have broken you can use 4 to 5 eggs. I've broken 5 eggs inside this bowl, and here we have salt, black pepper and red chili, and we have some bread and butter. Okay, so here I have also taken a pan and another pan. Both of them are non-stick, so it's easy. Okay, so here now we will take our eggs and we will add the mixture inside it. Okay, let's add the chopped onions. This is going to be a healthy breakfast. Let's add the green chilies now. And make sure when you add these, after you are finished adding these, mix your eggs and all the vegetables perfectly. This will look a little bit much vegetable-y, but when you eat it, it's awesome. I love this thing. Okay friends, so now we have mixed this a little bit. Let's add all of our masalas. Okay, so salt and black pepper. Here we have some red chili. Let's add all these together. I am excited. It's actually so good to eat this. It's so healthy. And here we have put all of the masalas in. So let's mix this up. Okay, so I think we will be mixing this for around a minute. Okay, so friends, here we have mixed our mixture of the eggs and it looks like this. And so now we'll start cooking it. Here I have taken a pan. Let's turn on the gas first. Okay. Okay, so let's put a pan on it. And we will be using butter, no oil or nothing, but we will be using butter so that our omelette is healthy. Okay, so we'll take this much butter, put it on. Okay. Spread this all around. Like this. You can use a knife for this process too. Okay, so let this melt now. We'll be waiting for 5 to 10 seconds and this will be melted perfectly. Here we will be using a kiwi for putting our egg inside. Okay, so let's put our eggs inside. Make sure when you're putting your egg in, the flame is on low. Okay. Okay friends, so now let's put on high flame so that our egg is getting cooked perfectly. Okay friends, so here now let's put the flame on low, and here let's turn the omelette. It's a hard thing. Okay, I think I did it. Okay. So our omelette should look like this after we have cooked it for 1 minute. This smells good again. Okay, so now let's put the flame on medium so that the above part, which was before above, can get cooked properly inside. We will give this also 1 minute. Okay guys, so it's been 1 minute and I think our egg from the bottom side is cooked. Let's check. This is good. Okay, so now put the flame on low, or let's turn the gas off. Okay, now let's serve our egg. Here we go. Inside of our plate. Let's turn this. This looks so good. Okay, so now we will have to make our bread in butter. So we'll be using this pan, the square one for it. Okay. Okay guys, so now let's, here I have put sauce inside and I like to eat it with sauce, that's why. Okay, so first let's turn on the gas. Okay, put it on low flame. Okay, medium flame. Let's add a butter. Okay, so here, make sure to spread your butter in the whole place. Okay, so this much is enough. Let's take our breads now. Bread number 1. Okay, so you need to do this. You can also use your spoon or your fork to spread the butter on the bread. Okay, let's do this for, let's let it get cooked for 1 minute. Around 30 seconds. Okay. Let's flip the bread. You can cook the bread as you want because some people like to eat it in, little bit hard, and some people like it soft. So it's upon you. I like to eat it in medium, so I'll be making it medium. Okay, so I think this bread is done. Let's put it inside our plate. Okay, so now let's take some more butter for our next bread. Okay, let's take. This makes a good sound. Spread it all around. Okay, let's take our second bread now. Put it on here. Gas on low flame. After 10 to 20 seconds, we'll be putting it on a little bit high flame. Medium flame actually. Okay, medium flame. Let's turn this. Okay guys, so here I have turned my bread and let's turn off the gas. Okay friends, so let's put our bread inside of a plate. Okay, so friends, this was it for today. This is my favorite bread and omelette recipe. So friends, if you like this video with my recipe, please like and subscribe my channel and also ring the bell icon so that you get notified of my new recipes and my new videos. See you next time. Take care and bye bye.